Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite subjects, and that is a pendulum or a pendy. And I just find some of the mysteries kind of fascinating. So I'll try and contain my excitement. Now, pendulums come in all different shapes and sizes. They're simple to extremely elaborate. And I do mean that. You can purchase pendulums already made, or you can make them yourself using different items. Also, if you find you need an answer and you don't have a pendulum with you, you find there's some situation came up and you need a quick answer, you can make a pendulum out of just about anything. I usually have a necklace on, which I don't have on today, but if you have a necklace with some type of piece or bead on there, you can use that also. And you can use string, just simple string. So I'm going to show you with this cord. This is just a simple piece of cord. I don't know what it came off of, but I'm going to show you how you can make a pendulum out of this and just an ordinary ink pen. So I divided it in half, and I'm going to wrap that around my fingers there and hold it steady. I'm going to take this little loop, let's close that pen, and hook it onto that piece, just like that. You see that? You can wrap it around your hand, your fingers if you like. The main thing is to make sure the piece that is going to swing is in the three fingers and it is perpendicular to the earth. Such as this, okay? So thank you. Show me yes. Show me yes. And you can't see that. Show me yes. It's kind of going funky because I'm not standing directly in front of it. Okay, show me yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, you can stop now. Show me no. Show me no. Show me no. Very good. Show me no. Show me no. Thank you. It's twisting back and forth because it's not balanced, which is fine, but it's showing me no. Thank you so much. Thank you. Show me yes. Show me yes. There you go. Show me yes. Thank you. Thank you. I just want to demonstrate that you can use anything to make a pendulum, and almost anything will work. Okay, almost anything will work. All you need is a line and something that has a little weight on it. It can't just be up in the air. So this is a pair of ear plugs. Let's get all of this extra stuff in my hand. And let's see. You need enough for it to swing. And so that's why I'm kind of doing this. Let's see. Show me yes. And it's going in the opposite direction. Show me yes. So this one would need to be programmed, because as long as it swings, that's all you need. You can program it real quick. Like, let's see if this piece, this bobble piece that goes in the ear, if it will swing. This is wire wrapped in plastic. You want the piece to have a little weight on it. Let's see if it's got enough weight on it. Show me yes. That's swinging much better. Show me yes. I wasn't holding it quite correctly. Thank you. Thank you. Show me no. And in my mind, I'm telling it left to right. Show me no. Thank you. Thank you. Check out the other video on programming, which makes it quick and easy. But remember, you're off somewhere, so you don't have your card, programming card, or your communication card, so you can use this and show me yes. I always end with the command to show me yes. Show me yes. Show me yes. Thank you. It's not swinging a lot, but it's swinging enough. So you can use anything to work as a pendulum. So now I'm going to show you some pendulums that I have and let you see how they are. Again, they range from simple to elaborate. This is a simple one. Chain, it's made out of brass and it has a mineral hematite bead on the end. This one is a little more elaborate. I haven't used it in a while. It needs to be cleansed. It is a silver, sterling silver, and it opens. There's a clasp here. It opens so that you can place crystals inside. Depends on what kind you want. Here. So again, elaborate to and fancy to simple. And this is one I purchased. It has two extremely heavy magnets on the side. This one is not a, this is a synthetic crystal and it's wrapped with copper wiring, and that is a plastic, hard plastic bead on the end. Now, some that I made, because you can make them yourself, you string the beads up according to the metaphysical properties of the crystals. That one, some are longer than others. And this one I have because I put a hook on the end or a clasp on the end, and I made these. These are copper wires, different colors. And I made these so that this will hook on there. And now I have a pendulum. So again, elaborate or plain. This is wire wrapped and it's a point so that it'll clasp on. This fits into one of these little copper pieces. It just slides right in there. It has to clear and then it'll hook on to that hook and I can use that as a pendulum point. And here's a wand piece, wire wrap. Again, elaborate or plain, it's up to you, as well as what you use them for. So check them out, find some that you purchased. I purchased these. This is a Merkaba shape. I purchased these. And with these points, I purchased these, but I made the handles and the wire wrap pieces that go hold them. So make them as fancy as you want, purchase them fancy or purchase them plain. This one is easy to transport and carry. I don't have to worry about it getting damaged. With these, however, I do worry that I will damage them. Even though I carry them, I have a case that I put them in. I still am somewhat concerned that these could get damaged, whereas this metal piece, it's really hard for it to get damaged. This little cutie also, I can't remember which piece it is. This little cutie has an opening in it where it allows me to put a crystal inside this also. Okay, I hope that helps you. Remember, a pendulum or a pendy is just a tool to help you get answers, especially if you're a little confused or you just don't know. I used one of these to find a well that we had in our backyard that needed to be repositioned. And I used the pendulum. It told me exactly where the well was underground, so that the young man, when he came, he was able to move the top part where the pump goes. He was able to move that directly over the pump, the well itself. So nothing is out of the question. All right. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.